Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday, but I also do surprise uploads, so you're going to want to subscribe right now so that you don't miss anything. Today I'm doing a review from Bohemian Wig, and this is their Pure Natural line. And so I actually have reviewed 2 wigs from this line before, and they were ones I scooped up from the beauty supply store, but this one I actually got from Glamour Chest, excuse me, I almost said Wig Types because that's usually where I go. Glamour Chest for $16.99. I'm very excited about this for a lot of reasons. All of a sudden I decided I'm into like the bobs. I used to not really want to wear a bob at all, but now I do. And this is Miss ZOA. She is 14 inches long. I have her in the color Mocha Blonde. The model there is wearing the F1B-30. It says silky texture, front lace, heat resistant up to 377 degrees, 14 inches straight. And I think that's pretty much all. That's Miss ZOA there. I feel like someone was asking me about a wig that was comparable in color to Janet Collection's Nunu. I'm sorry, I don't remember exactly who that was, but I know that we had a conversation about it. And so this color here, when you see it, is very, very almost spot on to the Nunu wig that I had in, I'm pretty sure she was Mocha Blonde too. So this is her. So this Pure line, this Pure Natural line, Bohemian Wig, that their Mocha Blonde is extremely similar to Janet Collection's Nunu. So this is her right here. I haven't even cut the lace off of her. Look how beautiful that coloring is. I see some 27s. I see some 613s. Definitely a lighter root. This would be a number 4, even a number 8 root. It is a sort of light root ombre. What's ombre? I just made that up. Sort of like a chestnutty brown, I would say. The cap construction, there are 2 combs in the front. There's a nice lace parting, comb in the back, adjustable straps. Let me cut the lace off her and get her on, and then we will see what we're working with. Oh yeah, she's definitely a similar color. The wig cap is medium. I actually had tightened it too much. Texture is, I wouldn't say it's a yucky. It's more like when you like flat iron your hair. It's very silky. It's a very nice density. Oh, I'm already loving her. It's not overly yucky though. The density is very nice. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. It just feels like full but like not too much hair, and like combing through it, like there's a grip to it, which I really like. The parting isn't too bad. I'm actually probably not gonna pluck too much, mostly because I'm running late. Go figure. All right, let me just get her together, and then I'll have my final thoughts.
Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. How much you listen, and you listen. missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
So I absolutely love this wig. This color is exactly like Nunu. I am going to hopefully be able to find the comments and comment back to the person, and I'll take some pictures and put that on my Instagram because I'm like feeling this wig for sure. Let's look at her from the back. Oh my gosh, yeah. I like her. What do you think? Do you like Miss ZOA? I put a little bit of, the density is just, I can't even describe it. It's just very realistic, I guess. It doesn't, the luster is beautiful, but it's not shiny, so you don't need any dry shampoo or anything. I just put a little bit of styling cream in it, more because, you know, I don't like stuff in my face. So that's more just for my preference. But, and then I put just a little bit of hairspray for flyaways, but I don't think it was, like, it's not necessary. Yeah, so far so good. I absolutely love this wig. If you have this wig, let me know down below. If there's another Bohemian wig, pure natural, that you would like me to scoop up and review, also let me know. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.